Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, in lieu of Black History Month, I would like to introduce you to Cocotique. Now, Cocotique is Black owned and it's a deluxe subscription service for women of color. Now, Cocotique sends you a specially curated box filled with beauty, self-wellness products, lifestyle products, full size and deluxe travel size for only $25 a month. That's it. And all of the products are for women of color. And I got a box the other day, and I'll just let you see what I got. Now, it comes in a box each month. I got this. It's a Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh 48-hour deodorant. And you can see it is the full size. I got this and I washed my hair today and I used this and it's pretty good. But it's called Urban Therapy and it's formulated for women of color hair. Twisted Sister. That's the name of it. Yeah. And it's a 30-second curl spray. It revitalizes curls and eliminates frizz. So I did use this today. And as you can see, it's full size. Another product that I did use today is an apple cider vinegar shampoo. Yeah, and it doesn't smell like the apple cider because I hate that smell. But and it's by Purador. Professional apple cider vinegar. Is thin to thick. People with thin or thinning hair, it makes it thick. And it has biotin, castor oil, and 15 DHT blockers. So it's supposed to be good, but I used it today. And I'll have to keep using it to see what it does. But, this is a product that I never thought to get. So, good product. All right. Also come with a sassy 3D fake mink eyelashes. Classy. Now, I don't know about putting on them. I have to watch the YouTube video to put them on. I usually just use my mascara, but it's something that I wouldn't have bought and that, I want to explore. All right. Okay. This is a lipstick. It's by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Looks nice. It's formulated with natural waxes, mineral pigments, and antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E. Our smooth, silky lipstick delivers moisture, color that stays. That's what I need. Yeah, if I can get it out. Okay. Just want to show you. A nice little case. I don't know how they knew, but this is my color. I love gold. I love it. Let's see. Goes on nice and smooth. I love lipstick. So that's also a plus. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, it comes with antioxidation for flabby, dull, and sensitive skin. Okay. It's Acuberry Express Face and Neck Serum Smoothing and Firming. Oh, yeah. All of us women over 50 needs that. Keep it tight. Smoothing and firming. So, yeah. How about that? I will try this. I will. Comes in a box like this. And, just a serum. Goes on smooth, silky, not greasy. And, yeah, I'm gonna put some on this neck now. Okay, again, this would have been something I never would have picked up, but I need it. Hey, and all of these are full size. Okay. All right, now got a package of multi-symptom severe cold, TheraFlu. And I've got LiveSo moisturizing shampoo for dry hair and scalp. And then you got a moisturizing conditioner for dry hair and scalp. And a moisturizing lotion for dry scalp. Actually, I got 2 of these. All of this for $25. Yes. Oh, and I also got the TheraFlu multi-symptom for severe cold and the TheraFlu sinus and pain. Yeah. So I got all of this, guys. And with each box, I got this. It's also from Sassy. Yeah, I got this, and it looks like, can't open it. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. This is the actually the eyelash clear glue for my lashes that I got. Yeah. Okay. How about that? That is nice. And with every box, you get a bag. It says Blessed Beyond Measures, Cocotique, hashtag self-care in a box. Just like that. And I use them. I use them to put my products in, to put my braids in, my hair. It comes in handy. Also, hey, I put a couple of bags when you get them every month. I use them for my groceries when I shop at the Aldi, the store that has no bags. But yeah, nice little bag. You can put all your products in. $25. Yes. Cocotique. Yeah. So I recommend Cocotique. And not only for you ladies, we have something for the guys too. I mean, check this out, guys. You get this once a month. It comes to your door, you wrap it, give your woman a present once a month. Yep, and you'll get brownie points. I'm sure you will. So it really helps. And some of the products, hey, actually, men can use too. The shampoo, conditioners. Y'all need to keep y'all neck, flabless as well. All right, guys. Hey, that's what a product that I can recommend for you. Cocotique deluxe subscription box comes to your door once a month for $25. And every beauty product or item or wellness item I get is something that I can use. Yes. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope that you will like, share, and subscribe. And as always, important, be blessed, y'all. Bye.